Hello friends, in today's video I'll be creating a beautiful Easter decor using this Dollar Tree rolling plant tray. Let's get into the true meaning of Easter. Let's go! While I was at Dollar Tree, I found these garden stones for my project. They're so adorable. I love the design on them, but I'll actually be using the backside of the stone. I also grabbed a pack of 4 of these little flower pots, but I'll just be using one for this project. Starting with the garden stone, I'll be removing the sticker since the main focus will be on the back side. Then I'm going to spray both the stone and the flower pot with this white spray paint and then follow it up with this stone texture finish. While the paint dries, I'm going to create some crosses using these twigs I picked up from my yard. I'll be using my small table saw to trim the ends and give them a smoother finish. In total, I'm making 3 crosses. If you're interested in the table saw, I'll have it linked below, or you can check out my Amazon store. Link is in the description box. Now that I've trimmed my twigs to size, it's time to assemble the crosses. I'm adding a dab of hot glue to the top center of each stick and placing the smaller stick across to form the cross. Once all 3 crosses are assembled, I'll wrap some rope around the center, not only to reinforce them, but also to give them a more rustic look. Now it's time to assemble the full resurrection Easter decor. I'm starting by filling the rolling tray with some dirt from my yard. Since it's just being used as a filler, this works perfectly since I didn't have potting soil on hand. I'll fill it up close to the rim and then stop. The dirt does have some dried up grass. Those are the pieces that I'm picking out. Next, I'll place my flower pot into the dirt with most of the pot exposed and add a little dirt inside the pot. After that, I'll cover most of the remaining dirt with some green moss. Then I'll add some stones to create a little pathway into the pot and along the side. Remember the garden stone? That will be placed next to the pot. In case you're wondering, the pot represents the tomb where Jesus was laid to rest, and the garden stone represents the stone that was rolled away when he resurrected on the 3rd day. Now it's time to add the crosses. I'll put the cross of Jesus in the center and place 1 cross on each side. To finish, I'll add a touch of color with these pretty wildflowers. And he said to them, "Do not be alarmed. You seek Jesus of Nazareth, who is crucified. He has risen. He is not here. See the place where they laid him." Mark 16. Thank you so much for watching. You have yourself a blessed Easter, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and God bless.